Everyone, I'm Tammy and welcome back to Prepper Watch Reports. I'm so glad you're here. Whether you are a seasoned prepper, a homesteader, or you're somebody that's just starting out on this journey, you're in the right place. We got a lot to cover today, so let's get into today's top Prepper Watch reports. So first up, a recall has just been announced for select batches of Tower air fryers due to a potential fire hazard. So if you've got one, be sure to check the details on the recall and take action if needed. Next, a Costco recall has hit the news. So one of their popular salsa products sold at select stores in the Northwest is being pulled off shelves due to a foreign object contamination. So apparently the cilantro in the salsa may contain small wood particles. To find out more about these Prepper Watch reports, head on over to prepperwatch.com for the latest in news and insights that may impact you. All right, so that's the Prepper Watch reports for the day, and on to the quick tip of the day, which is about micro homesteading. So you might be asking yourself, like, am I going to need to grow my own food soon? So with prices going up, crazy weather patterns and supply chains and total chaos, food security is definitely something that we all need to keep an eye on. So you don't need a big farm or huge acres of land to get started. So if you got a little backyard or a balcony or even just a windowsill, you can grow food. And I'm learning it's much easier than you think. So I came across this amazing tutorial on TikTok about vertical gardening. And I saw it on the channel, Keep On Growing. He explains how to grow food up instead of out. It's a game changer, especially for those of us who don't have a ton of space. And I'm going to try it actually. I'm going to dive in. I'm going to give it a try and I will record my progress and I'll let you know how it goes. I hope I'll get like a decent yield and then I can. Maybe I'll try tomatoes. We'll see what happens. So you don't need a green thumb or a ton of space. You can grow herbs and greens and even some compact veggies in small spaces. And plus, like if you're not into huge gardens, it's a great way to start small and build your prepping skills. So even if it's just a few pots and a windowsill, that's a step towards self-sufficiency. Like start small, start simple, and before you know it, you'll have some fresh food at your fingertips. And worst case scenario, you got a cool little garden to show off to your neighbors. So every bit of knowledge shared brings us all closer together in our preparedness plans. So speaking of sharing, citizen journalism is on the rise, and you guys, you're the news. So like our Prepper Watchman who sent us the report about chemtrails, become a Prepper Watchman and help report what's happening in your area, from local recall to survival tips. Prepper Watch is here to amplify voices like yours. So join our community today and start reporting on what's going on in your area because together we are stronger and more informed, and joining Prepper Watch is free and it's easy to use. So keep those reports coming, stay engaged, and don't forget to share these videos with your prepping and homesteading communities. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below, especially if you've got some tips or stories of your own. Until next time, everyone, this is Tammy from Prepper Watch signing off. And always remember, stay alert, stay informed, stay prepared, and whatever's coming your way, Prepper Watch, we got you covered.